Today we're going to be making yogurt. First you start off with some milk. Oh, why am I speaking so calmly and quietly? Because yogurt is calming and quiet. Like, okay, first you turn on the heat. You want to boil your milk. Now here's a tricky thing. You don't want to overboil it, because if it overboils, it'll bubble over and leave a big ass mess. It's a terrible hassle to clean up spilt, burnt milk. I rescued. Good job, Clarence. Okay, let the milk cool for a little bit. So in the meantime, I'm gonna get my yogurt starter. Any yogurt will do. You put a couple tablespoons in a jar. Once your milk is cooled again, and this is perfect, it's about 110 degrees. It's good to go. You pour it in, but usually you don't make such a goddamn mess like I did. Jesus Christ, Clarence, what are you thinking? What does it look like to you? Marge Simpson. Cover the lid, and you shake it. You shake it like a Polaroid picture, and it should be good and mixed. Now you want to put water in your container. It should be about 110 degrees as well. You're going to put your yogurt in the container like this. Try to make sure it's submerged as much as you can. Cover it with the lid. And this is a thermopot. It's basically like a thermos that keeps things warm for a long time. Then you close the lid, wait for a few hours, open it up, et voila, you have your yogurt. Oh, it is a beautiful thing. This beautiful yogurt, fresh and delicious, a little sweet. Put it in the refrigerator, let it chill for a little bit. Bring it out when it's cold. Feed it to your funky kids, and they're gonna love it. Here we go. This is so good. Amazing. And then you take that creamy top, feed it to your firstborn.
Yeah.
Is it good? And don't forget the second child, second kid complexes and all. Suspense is killing me. What's going on?
It took you so long to decide, Mona.